Hello students, this is your English teacher speaking. Today we are going to see part 4 in lesson 2, the web of life. Shall we start today's class? Are you all happy? Very good. Okay dears. See, first take page number 25. 25. Words such as small, brown, clever and hard-working helps us describe the spider in different ways. Clever tells us that the spider is smart. Hard-working tells us that the spider works a lot. These are describing words. Okay, before reading this, you just turn page number 24. 24. There you can see naming words and describing words, and also you wrote and also you described naming words, right? See down, there will be a spider and they described the spider as small, brown, clever and hardworking, right? Very good. That only here they explained that clever tells us that the spider is smart. So spider was smart in the story, right? Even though the wind blows strong, the spider did not give up easily and it tried again and again, right? So only they told clever spider. Next, and also they told and they described hard working, right? Hard working tells us that the spider works a lot, right? The spider was not lazy. It works a lot to spin the whole web. They described the spider as hardworking. Now take page number 25. Turn to the page 25. These are describing words. Okay. Listen, keep your finger here. Describing words tells us more about naming word. So describing word tells more about naming words. Naming words in the sense name of a people, name of a thing, name of a place, name of an animal are called naming words. So this describing words tells more about naming word. Okay dear, see here next. Here are some examples. Shall we read this example? Listen carefully. Should not see here and there. Okay. Just see the video carefully. See the slide. See what first one. What is this? Lion. What animal it is? Lion. You can describe lion as, how will you describe? How will you describe? Brave lion. Lion runs fast. Strong lion. Lion is a wild animal, right? Likewise, you will describe. Okay, see the next one, tree. How will you describe the tree? Tall tree. Brown color tree. The leaves of the trees are green. Likewise, you will describe, right? You can, for what they gave these examples means, not only with a single word you can describe as many words you can describe. Okay, see here next one, third, King Bruce. King Bruce looks tall and also he was sad, he was strong. So they describe King Bruce with 3 describing words. Like this, you can also take one naming word and you can describe it in many describing words, using many describing words. Okay dears, can you all understand what I'm saying? Are you following me? Okay dears, next page, see here, write your name, paste the picture of yourself, write 3 words to describe yourself. Wow, such a funny activity, right? You have to describe yourself. You have to describe about yourself. You should not ask yourself about your parents. You should not ask about you to your parents or friends. You have to describe you by yourself. Okay, what you have to do is your picture you have to paste here. If you ask your parents will give your picture here, then you will paste the picture here, write your name, and you have to describe yourself with 3 describing words in this round. 3 rounds are there, no? In the rounds you have to describe. For example, if I describe me, how I will describe? Beautiful, lovely, intelligent. Likewise, I will describe. See, here are some clues. See, describing words can help us indicate the following. You can describe size, big or small, how you will be, big or small. You can describe colors. Using colors, you can describe shape, you can describe feeling, you can describe. Okay, dears. Next class, I will ask you whether you did this activity or not. Hope you all understand. I will say again the rules. Paste your picture here, write your name, then you have to describe yourself with 3 describing words. Am I right? Okay, dears. Next, see here. Here are some examples. We're going to read this. Okay. Using describing words in sentences. We're going to use describing words in sentences. Okay, listen. Already they described spider as small, clever, brown and hardworking, right? In sentences, how will they describe? Let us see. First one, itsy bitsy is a spider, is a small spider. Itsy bitsy is a small spider. Which one is describing word here? Which one is describing word here? Small. Super. Itsy bitsy is a small spider. Okay, dear. Next one. Itsy bitsy is clever. Which is describing word here? Clever. Why we say clever as a describing word? Why? Yes, because it describes itsy bitsy. Who is itsy bitsy? Spider. Spider is a naming word. So a word which describes a naming word is called describing word. Okay. Next one. Itsy bitsy is a brown spider. So brown is a naming word. No, brown is a describing word. Okay. Itsy bitsy is hardworking. Here hardworking is a describing word. Observe that a describing word can be used before the naming word in a sentence. It can also appear at the end. So you have to observe. Observe these sentences before the naming word. Before the naming word, the describing word will appear. See, spider is a naming word. Before the naming word, there is a describing word. And also, at the end of the sentence also, there will be a describing word. Okay, understand? Understand, yes? Okay, see the next page, number 28. Here are more examples of using describing words in sentences. See here, describing words, feeling. Through feelings we can describe. King Bruce is sad, King Bruce is happy, King Bruce is joyful. Like that you can describe. Size, how will you describe? The cave is in a big forest. Then quality, the spider is hardworking. Then color, the forest is green. So using these feeling, quality, color, size, you can identify describing words and you can describe naming words. Okay, dears. So next class we will see companion. Till that you should get practice with naming words and describing words. Write one naming word and you describe that naming word as much word you can able to describe. Okay, dears. Okay, I hope you will do and you will get practice with this naming words and describing words. Next class we will see companion activity. Be ready with your companion and studio. Thank you dears. Be safe and be good.